Home Remedies presents Slimming Powder. Extreme weight loss in 30 days. No exercise, increased metabolism. Everyday people end up trying new diets in an effort to maintain their ideal body weight. If you are one of these people and you are tired of all the hard to follow diets and restrictions, you should look into natural treatments for weight loss. In today's video, we will use spices used in Indian foods that increases the metabolic rate of the body, leading to fat loss. Let's see how to make it. Ingredients: cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, kalonji 1 tablespoon, curry leaves 15, flaxseed powder 1 tablespoon, hing powder half tablespoon. Directions: are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Take all the ingredients in a pan and dry roast them. Once done, keep it aside and allow it to cool. Use a mortar and pestle to grind this mixture into a fine powder. You can store it in an airtight container. Your remedy is ready to use. How to use: add 1 teaspoon to a glass of water and consume it 3 times a day before meals. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.